Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for detailed product reviews. Today, we've got something for all you printer owners out there, the SUDLTO DR730 drum unit. If you're looking for high-quality, reliable printing without breaking the bank, this might be the solution you've been searching for. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Now, let's jump right into it. Here it is, the SUDLTO DR730 drum unit, a crucial component for your Brother Mono laser printer. This drum unit comes in a set of two, providing you with a professional, black and white print quality you can consistently rely on. It's compatible with a range of Brother printer models, and it's engineered for quality. But we'll get into the details shortly. When it comes to performance, the DR730 drum unit doesn't disappoint. It's designed to print up to a whopping 12,000 pages at 5% coverage. That means you can tackle big printing jobs with ease, whether you're in a home office or a busy workspace. It's compatible with a variety of Brother Mono laser printer models, including HLL2350DW, HLL2390DW, HLL2395DW, and more. Quality and reliability are paramount when it comes to printer components, and this drum unit doesn't cut corners. It's engineered for consistent, professional mono laser print quality. Your prints will come out crisp and sharp, with results that withstand the test of time. And you can trust it to perform well with your Brother laser printer. Now, it's essential to address the difference between genuine and non-genuine drum units. Using non-genuine replacements may affect hardware performance, copy quality, and machine reliability. It could end up costing you more in the long run due to potential printer repairs or replacements. So, sticking with a Brother genuine drum unit like this one is a wise choice. Let's talk about cost effectiveness. With Brother genuine drum unit replacements, you get professional black and white prints without breaking the bank. It's all about more printing and less cost. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice for responsible printing. To wrap it up, the SUDLTO DR730 drum unit is a reliable and compatible replacement for your Brother Mono laser printer. It delivers high-quality prints, boasts a significant page yield, and is cost-effective in the long run. When it comes to reliability and performance, this drum unit checks all the boxes. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. And remember, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off. Until next time.